Learn Hindi question words fast. Who, what, when, that, why in.
Hindi.
Welcome to the question party. Hey, you're about to learn some super useful Hindi words that ask big life questions. Also small life questions, like who stole the last samosa. Today you will meet 5 powerful little words. Who is?
कौन?
What is?
क्या?
When is?
कब?
That is.
वो?
And why is?
क्यों?
These words appear everywhere in real conversation, so once you know them, your Hindi starts sounding much more alive. Meet the usual suspects. Let's line them up like a tiny language detective show. You listen, repeat, and imagine dramatic background music. Who is?
कौन?
Imagine a knock at the door and you ask.
कौन?
What is?
क्या?
You open a mystery lunchbox and whisper.
क्या?
When is?
कब?
You stare at your watch and ask.
कब?
That is.
वो?
You point across the room at the last piece of cake and say.
वो?
Why is?
क्यों?
You find socks in the fridge and ask the only sensible question.
क्यों?
A very suspicious morning. Now let's put the words into a funny story. Just relax and picture the scene as you listen. You wake up early and see a goat in sunglasses standing near your kitchen table. Naturally, your brain begins working overtime. First you ask.
कौन?
Who invited this elegant goat? Then you look at the breakfast plate and ask.
क्या?
What happened to your toast? The goat is eating it. You check the clock and ask.
कब?
When did this goat arrive? Then you point at the animal and say.
वो?
Is definitely not my roommate. Finally, because life has stopped making sense, you ask.
क्यों?
Congratulations, you just survived a full Hindi question word emergency. Useful example lines. Here are some handy sentences you can borrow right away. Repeat them like you are starring in your own bilingual comedy. Who is at the door?
दरवाजे पर कौन है?
What is this?
यह क्या है?
When are you coming?
तुम कब आ रहे हो?
That is my bag.
वो मेरा बैग है.
Why are you laughing?
तुम क्यों हंस रहे हो?
Tiny dialogue, big drama. Let's hear all 5 words in one playful scene. Imagine 2 friends, one mystery, and absolutely no useful planning. A.
कौन?
Is outside? B. I do not know. A.
क्या?
Does he want? B. Maybe tea. A.
कब?
Did he get here? B. 2 minutes ago. A. Is.
वो?
The man with the purple umbrella? B. Yes, that one. A.
क्यों?
Is he carrying a rubber chicken? B. That is a very advanced question. Memory tricks that actually stick. Let's glue these words into your memory with silly images. The stranger the image, the better your brain behaves. 4.
कौन?
Imagine a spotlight on one person in a crowd while everyone shouts, who? 4.
क्या?
Imagine opening a box and finding a dancing potato. Your face says it all. What? 4.
कब?
Picture a giant clock chasing you down the street asking when. 4.
वो?
Imagine pointing at a distant mountain made entirely of lattice and saying, that one. 4.
क्यों?
See a child staring at shoes inside a refrigerator and demanding, why? Quick listener challenge. Your turn now. I will give you the English word, and you say the Hindi word before I do. No pressure. Just heroic pressure. Who?
कौन?
What?
क्या?
When?
कब?
That.
वो?
Why?
क्यों?
Mini quiz of glorious confusion. Let's test your memory with a fast quiz. If you miss one, no problem, even the goat is still learning. Which Hindi word means who?
कौन?
Which Hindi word means what?
क्या?
Which Hindi word means when?
कब?
Which Hindi word means that?
वो?
Which Hindi word means why?
क्यों?
Friendly wrap up. Nice work. You just learned 5 small words that do a lot of heavy lifting in real Hindi. Today you practiced
कौन, क्या, कब, वो,
and.
क्यों.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep repeating them out loud, use them in tiny daily questions, and do not be afraid to sound a little dramatic. That actually helps. See you next time and keep practicing your Hindi.